If you are unable to access certain websites that is blocked by your ISP, or if it's simply not available on your region, then you certainly have to use Cloudflare. Don't worry, it's absolutely free. This is also a great way to boost your internet speed to its maximum potential. To do this, search for Network and Internet within your control panel. You can also go into your system settings and then go into Network and Internet. Now just select whichever network you want to assign to Cloudflare. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so I'm going into the Wi-Fi settings. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network and then click on the Properties option. Once you scroll down, you will see the option where it says Change DNS settings for all Wi-Fi networks. Click on this, and then inside DNS Server Assignment, click on Edit. Now, by default, you will have the automatic DHCP selected. Click on the drop-down menu and click on Manual. Now, for IPv4, just type in 1.1.1.1. For the alternate DNS, type in 1.0.0.1. Turn on IPv6 as well. Type in this value. I will put this in the comment section. For the alternate DNS, type in this value, which will also be in the comment section. Finally, click on the Save button, and that is it. You can now access any website that has been blocked from your ISP, and you will also get full speed on your device. If you want to learn how to do this on your Android phone, make sure to click on this video. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe.